10 ways to protect from skin rash. How to prevent skin rash. Rash or dermatitis involves redness, itching, and inflammation from allergens or irritants. Let's get started. 1. Moisturize regularly. Keeping your skin hydrated reduces the risk of dryness and irritation. Use hypoallergenic, fragrance-free moisturizers twice daily. 2. Wear breathable fabrics. Natural fabrics like cotton allow your skin to breathe, reducing sweat and irritation. Choose loose-fitting clothing made of cotton or linen, especially in hot weather. 3. Stay cool and dry. Excessive heat and moisture can cause heat rashes. Use fans, air conditioning, and take cool showers. Always dry thoroughly after bathing. 4. Avoid known irritants. Chemicals in soaps, detergents, and lotions can trigger rashes. Opt for products labeled for sensitive skin and avoid those with strong fragrances or dyes. Thanks for still watching. Like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. 5. Use anti-chafing products. Friction can cause rashes, especially in areas like thighs and underarms. Apply anti-chafing balms or powders before engaging in activities that involve a lot of movement. 6. Maintain good hygiene. Clean skin is less prone to infections that can cause rashes. Shower regularly, especially after sweating, and change into clean clothes promptly. 7. Stay hydrated. Well-hydrated skin is more resilient to irritants. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin supple. 8. Consider probiotics. A healthy gut can improve skin health. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or take a probiotic supplement. 9. Protect against allergens. Allergens like pollen or pet dander can cause skin reactions. Use air purifiers, regularly clean your living space, and avoid known allergens. 10. Consult a dermatologist. Persistent or severe rashes need professional attention. Seek advice from a dermatologist. By following these detailed strategies, you can effectively prevent rashes and maintain healthy, irritation-free skin.